Are you an IT manager, data center manager, facility manager, infrastructure manager, or company CIO? Are you in need of a partner to support the continuous operation of your infrastructure? Look no further than TOPTECH Engineering Limited. TOPTECH Engineering Limited is a privately owned indigenous systems integration and engineering services company based in Lagos, Nigeria. With over 20 years experience, TOPTECH provides satisfactory and cost-effective engineering services in the areas of consulting, contracting, construction, maintenance, and procurement on engineering projects in a dedicated and efficient manner. We provide end-to-end services in areas of power, data center, and IT services, including data center design, build, certification, and operations. UPS, inverter, voltage regulators, electrical panels, transformers, generators, solar systems, precision cooling, chilled water systems, building M&E services, physical security, building automation, and many more. As an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, quality and efficient services has become the TOPTECH tradition. TOPTECH Engineering Limited. Power, data center, IT services.